Well, guess where we're at today? We're back at my daughter's house, and you can see she's been decorating, right, my sweet daughter?
Yes, mother.
And as you can see, we have It's a Wonderful Life sign over there in the far corner, and her beautiful chair with her little cute pillow with the little snowman's face, super cute.
And that blanket is so cozy.
Yeah, nice cozy look. And look at how she decorated her window. Isn't it beautiful? Want you to talk about where you got your pieces from, or?
So the backdrop, I got it from Amazon, and then the top part, which
That backdrop really looks nice. Really love it.
yeah. So the top piece, it doesn't kind of match with the top of the.
I think it looks great. I wouldn't worry.
It's okay. It covers up my oh my gosh, I can't even think today. My curtain rod. Anyways, I got that from that yard sale for $1.
Can't beat
And
that.
it was actually supposed to go on my fireplace, but I'm not gonna get to the
That part.
living room decorating because I've run out of time. So just gonna focus on my dining room so we can have a nice breakfast, Christmas breakfast with the kids. And then that little wreath in the middle, that came from Anna Lee. It's very pretty. So you might have to get up closer at the end, take some closer pictures. And then I got my elf hanging, and he was from the Dollar Tree, of course.
Why don't I walk over there and get a better picture? Wanted to show you up and close how pretty this little wreath is that she got from Annalie, hanging from her curtain rod. Isn't it pretty? So I wanted to show you close up and personal how these wreaths look. They look so pretty. I can't believe how pretty they were. Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah, they're jeweled. They have like little tiny glass beads on them. So pretty. So I got the pair. I just used the one on the window, and then I have this extra one. Don't know where I'm gonna put it, but it's.
And you know what
beautiful.
Grandma always says, there's always next year.
That's right.
And next year you can do it a different way, and you can make it more of the centerpiece of something. Because it is beautiful enough it could be a centerpiece.
And it's really heavy wire here, so I can't remember how much I paid for them from Annalie, but they were well worth what she was asking for. So they're beautiful.
Yeah, we love Annalie. It's one of our epic garage sales we like to hit once a month. So
Yes.
you'll always see something we're picking up from her. She's always making things and selling stuff she already has bought that were in her home at one time. Well, let's go to the buffet now and the Christmas tree. How cute this little elf was too. Isn't he cute? Santa's elf sees everything. Guess that means you kids better behave.
That's right.
Well, look at my daughter's tree in the corner of her dining room. Isn't it beautiful? And I love the top hat on top of the tree.
Yeah, it goes with, my theme is the buffalo check and the, I don't know what they call the red and black. Is it also buffalo check? But I got the red and black and the white and black. So,
Well, it's a country theme.
yeah.
I think it looks really pretty myself. And everything is so well decorated. We're going to get in closer to let you see how pretty everything is. But I just want to give you a beautiful overview how everything is looking. And look at all the presents under the tree already. She's done a great job decorating her home. And of course, the red truck all lit up. Always looks cute.
And so most of these items either came from the Dollar Tree, 99-cent store, or Dollar General. And then there's a couple of things that came from Annalie. So as we go through, I'll tell you which ones.
Okay, we're going to go up and get really personal with the tree and the buffet so you can see everything really nice and close.
So the topper came from the 99-cent store, super cute. And so I had a different one up there, but it didn't match with my theme, so I put that one up there. And then all these ornaments, most of these ornaments, like I said, came from the Dollar Tree. My Merry Christmas signs, there's 3 different ones, and those come from the Dollar Tree. I won't go through every single thing, but most of the things came from Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. So I just thought the mittens were super cute.
Now, is that how they came, or did you?
No, that's how they came.
Okay.
And I watched somebody put together the tree with the ribbon. And if you remember, well, you know, Mom, they don't know. I found a bunch of rolls of ribbon at the thrift store, and they were $2.99. And I put all that ribbon on this tree, and I still had leftover of one roll. So it's a lot of ribbon. So I'm glad I picked them up when I did. The plan was to decorate more, so I have plenty for next year. So, but aren't those candy canes cute?
They're super cute.
Just love them. And then that little snowman sign came from the Dollar Tree. And that little, what is it called? Sleigh?
Yeah.
I got that from the thrift store. I think it was $3.99 or $4.99. I was gonna redo it because it's kind of banged up, but I was like, it looks good for now. And,
Hey,
and I'll redo it for next year. So, and then that little holly sign, the little with the beads, that came from the 99-cent store. So I love that because it's, you can make them, but
You
you
know,
can get it for 99 cents. Might as well just do that.
Sometimes just buying them already finished, if you can get them reasonable enough, they're cheaper than trying to make them. If
Yeah.
you bought all that separate and then did it, it would have been more than $1.
Yeah.
It really
So
would.
if you can see, I noticed one of my bows fell, but these little tiny bows here, I just got a big package of them.
Mm-hmm.
And so I just put them on there, just kind of laid them in there. So just to kind of fill in the spot. And I got those little bows from, I think, Amazon, but there's like 100 of them.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, so 50 black and white, and then 50 red and black. So.
And these are really cute ornaments too.
Yeah, the Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
But I had, when they first came out, I just grabbed as many of these type ones
Yeah.
as I could.
Yeah, if you see something you like, you better grab it because you won't see it when you come next time.
Yeah. And then I had a little hat down there. That's what I had on back in there, the elf hat.
Oh, okay.
I had it on the top of the tree initially, but like I said, it didn't go with the theme.
Yeah.
And then if you saw, I put the little legs from the elf.
Over here.
Yeah, see it right here underneath the elf box.
Oh, that's cute.
See, there's one of my bows on the floor.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, it happens.
So,
Yeah, looks super cute.
and then I incorporated my wine holder just so I can have another little shelf. And there's another little Merry Christmas sign or beaded. Whatever.
Is that for $1 too?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe you got them for $1. They're
Yeah,
really good
they're real
quality.
cute. And then those peppermint trees are from Anna Lee. Super cute. And then those picks are from the Dollar Tree. I didn't do anything to them. I just stuck them in there. So you know me, I don't do any floral arranging. I just stick them in there. And then I found those pipe cleaners. So I just around a pencil, I just made a little twisty and put them in there. And then my red truck sign, that one came from Dollar General. And I didn't like to see the back of the sign, so we put wrapping paper on the back so when it showed up in the mirror.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get there. There we see now. I see in the back of the
That's
mirror.
right. So then coming over to the buffet.
Okay, let's
And-
get this other corner, then we'll go down the center of the buffet.
Where are we going?
We're going over here, and we'll go do this other end. Oops, I got my own self in there. Okay.
So
Okay.
there's the Mackenzie Child's lamp.
Now we have you in there.
Oh, well, I don't want to be in there. My hair's a mess. So that's Mackenzie Child's lamp that it goes